for momos? Here you are. Today I will show you how you can easily make momos.
Hello foodies, I am Sukanya. Welcome to my channel Home Fun Palette. Today I am going to share a trick how to make pan-fried momos nice and soft. So let's jump to the recipe.
For this recipe I have used soya chunks. I have boiled it and squeezed out all the excess water and grinded it roughly. You can use soya granules too. We will mix some veggies like carrots, bell peppers, onion, garlic and a half smashed potato and mix them very well. Then start cook the filling until it becomes dry and become put together. I have taken 4 tablespoons of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of cooking oil and little bit salt and just made a dough. Now roll it like chapatis and cut it like this. Now give them a shape as per your expertise. I did it like that. I have steamed my momos like this. It will take 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes, it will be ready to be served. You can have it like this too. For the burnt garlic pan-fried momos, take a pan, put little bit of oil, smoke it very well and put your momos like this. For this trick, the momos should be in room temperature. In this stage, you can see the brown spot in your momos. You can flavor your momos as per your choice, but here is a trick to make your momos soft. Splash little water on the heated pan like the video and cover it until the water will disappear. This trick will help you to make your momos soft. For burnt garlic flavor, use some cooking oil, burn some garlic. I have sauteed some veggies to make the palate more fulfilled. For veggies, I have used some carrots, onions, some green bell peppers. You can also use as per your choice. Saute them on a high flame, then add the momos and saute them together. Adjust the salt and pepper as per your taste. Here you go, your momos are ready. Please do give it a try and comment below how it turned out. If you like my recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you.